DECOKTOOL Electric Pressure Washer is a robust cleaning device that offers an impressive 4,500 pounds per square inch of pressure, making it ideal for tackling large surfaces and stubborn stains. With a 35-foot power cord, this pressure washer provides excellent range, reducing the need for constant repositioning during use and enhancing user convenience. Equipped with 4 quick connect nozzles and a soap cannon, this washer can adapt to various cleaning conditions, thus boosting its cleaning efficiency. The Total Stop System feature is a smart addition that conserves energy by shutting off the motor when not in use, which also contributes to extending the machine's lifespan. Designed with user comfort in mind, the washer includes comfortable sponge handles and wheels, making it easy to maneuver without causing fatigue. Its quick coupler design simplifies installation, ensuring that users can set up the machine with ease and start cleaning right away.